I don't know if I got it or not. It was off.
I heard a warning button. I'm like, you better shoot. I was like, shoot.
Did you see him?
I heard him. I heard him walking.
I was watching the whole time.
There's another guy calling behind.
Yeah, I moved in on us again. Okay, this is all fuzzy. Something happened to the camera, Joe.
Here,
this ain't good. This ain't good. Something happened to the camera when I shot. Alright, well, anyways, got us a public land Longbeard here at Moraine. I think the camera's broke.
Oh, man.
At least it's out of focus. So, had our third guy of the day move in on us. And, here we are, Moraine. First day of 2012 Pennsylvania spring gobbler season. And this Longbeard here. They just don't want to die. And it's the third time we had guys moving.
It's a nice 10-inch beard. There's a guy over there, right there.
Luckily, we got this shot off.
All right.